Are you tired of talking to bland AI chatbots that give you the same repetitive answers? Want to experience a conversation with an AI so advanced it feels like talking to a human? Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology of ChatGPT and discover the power of advanced language understanding. Get ready to be amazed and have your mind blown as we ask you. Enjoy the video. Greetings, tech enthusiasts. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I'm so excited to bring you the latest and greatest information in the world of technology. You are watching Technologia, where you will have the opportunity to have your questions answered. In this video, we will talk about ChatGPT. What is OpenAI? Its applications, positive news in South Australia, and potential applications. ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It is a language model that is trained on vast amounts of text data to generate human-like responses to text input. ChatGPT's capabilities include text generation, language translation, summarization, question answering, and more. It can understand and respond to various types of text inputs, such as questions, statements, and conversational cues. The importance and relevance of ChatGPT in today's technology lie in its ability to enhance and simplify human-computer interaction. It has various applications in areas such as customer service, personal assistance, language translation, and content generation, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. With the increasing demand for natural language processing and conversational AI, ChatGPT is poised to play a major role in shaping the future of technology. GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is the third iteration of OpenAI's Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, language model. It is one of the largest and most advanced language models to date, trained on a massive corpus of text data from the Internet. Other language models include BERT, Elmo, OMFIT, among others. These models are also pre-trained on large amounts of text data and fine-tuned for various natural language processing tasks. Language models work by predicting the next word in a sequence of text given the previous words as context. They use a transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network, to encode the input text and generate the output text. During pre-training, the language model is exposed to massive amounts of text data and learns to generate text that is similar to the input data. Language models like GPT-3 and others are an essential component of many natural language processing systems and are used for a variety of applications, including chatbots, question answering, language translation, and content generation. The training process of a language model like ChatGPT involves exposing the model to vast amounts of text data and adjusting the model's parameters to minimize the prediction error. Here are the general steps in the training process. Data collection. The first step is to collect a large corpus of text data, such as books, articles, and websites. This data is then cleaned and pre-processed to remove any irrelevant information. Tokenization. The text data is then divided into smaller units, called tokens, such as words or subwords. These tokens are then mapped to numerical values, called token IDs, for use in the model. Model architecture. A neural network architecture, such as the transformer architecture, is selected to encode the input text and generate the output text. Pre-training. The model is exposed to the text data and trained to predict the next token in a sequence of tokens given the previous tokens as context. During this process, the model learns the patterns and relationships between the tokens in the text data. Fine-tuning. Once the pre-training is complete, the model can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as language translation or question answering, by exposing the model to task-specific data and adjusting the model's parameters to minimize the prediction error on the task-specific data. The input-output mechanism of ChatGPT involves encoding the input text and generating a response based on the encoded input. Here is a general overview of the process. Input text encoding. The input text is first passed through the model's tokenization and encoding layer, where it is converted into a numerical representation called token IDs that the model can understand. Attention mechanism. The model then uses an attention mechanism to focus on different parts of the input text and consider their relationship to generate the response. Output text generation. The model uses the encoded input and its internal representation to generate a response by predicting the next token in the sequence given the previous tokens as context. The model generates tokens one at a time, and the generated tokens are concatenated to form a response. Text decoding. The generated response is then passed through a text decoding layer, where the token IDs are converted back into text. The response is then returned as the output. The input-output mechanism of ChatGPT is designed to understand and respond to various types of text inputs, such as questions, statements, and conversational clues, in human-like manner. The model's ability to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses is based on the patterns and relationships it learned during the training process. ChatGPT can be used to support professionals in the legal, medical, and educational fields, but it cannot directly participate in bar exams, medical exams, or other types of exams. Here's how it can be used. Agreements based on templates and input from lawyers. Additionally, it can summarize complex legal cases and legislation, making it easier for lawyers to stay up to date and informed. With its ability to understand and respond to natural language input, ChatGPT can also be used as a virtual legal assistant to answer common legal questions and provide research assistance. Medicine. ChatGPT can be used to support medical professionals by analyzing medical reports and summarizing complex medical information. For example, it can assist with medical diagnoses by summarizing patients' histories, lab results, and imaging studies, and making suggestions for further tests or treatments. Additionally, it can provide patient education by summarizing medical information and answering common health questions in a clear and concise manner. Exams. ChatGPT can be used as a study tool for students preparing for exams. It can help students practice answering questions and summarize information, making it a valuable tool for language-related studies. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist with essay writing by generating outlines, suggestions for topic sentences, and suggestions for improving grammar and writing style. There is some advantages using ChatGPT, like human-like responses. ChatGPT generates human-like responses that are coherent and contextually appropriate, making it ideal for applications where a natural language interface is desired. Speed and efficiency. ChatGPT can process large amounts of data and generate responses quickly, making it a valuable tool for applications that require rapid analysis and decision-making. Versatility. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications, including customer service, personal assistance, legal and medical support, and language translation, making it a versatile tool for many industries. Continuous improvement. OpenAI continues to improve and train the model, meaning that it is likely to become even more capable and useful over time. As you know, perfect does not exist. There is also some limitations. Limited understanding. Despite its ability to generate human-like responses, ChatGPT does not have a true understanding of the world. It is limited to the patterns and relationships it learned from its training data, and may generate inappropriate or nonsensical responses in certain situations. Lack of context. ChatGPT generates responses based on the input it receives, but it does not have a full understanding of the context in which the input was given. This can lead to inappropriate or nonsensical responses in certain situations. Bias. ChatGPT is trained on a large corpus of text data, which may include biases and inaccuracies. As a result, the model may generate biased or inaccurate responses, and it is important to validate its output before using it in important applications. Over-reliance. While ChatGPT can be a valuable tool, it is important to remember that it is not a substitute for human judgment and expertise. Over-reliance on the model can lead to errors and limitations in the final output. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like responses to natural language input. Its ability to process large amounts of data and generate responses quickly makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, including customer service, personal assistance, legal and medical support, and language translation. However, it is important to be aware of its limitations. I hope this video is productive for you all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.